GreenOil Lubrication, oil filtration system for engine applications. Contaminated oil from the engine is transferred into the filter system by a gear pump mounted directly on the system, or supplied separately as a standalone unit. The oil is directed from the pump through the oil inlet into the filter inserts. It is evenly distributed in parallel across all filter inserts, ensuring uniform cleaning performance for each filter. The oil enters the filter insert and flows continuously through the filter, leaving contaminants behind. The filter insert is designed for deep filtration, featuring a large surface area to ensure optimal filter life. Clean oil enters the chamber beneath the filter insert and flows to the oil outlet at the bottom of the chamber. From the outlet, the clean oil is directed back into the engine. GreenOil Standard, innovative solutions in oil filtration.